I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by installing Python and preparing your environment. Once done, open a REPL or script file. Import the JSON module with import JSON so you can call dumps and loads. Next, create a simple dict example to serialize. This shows structure and types. Make sure to choose UTF-8 encoding when writing files. That first actionable step gets you immediate feedback and lets you iterate quickly with print, JSON. Dumps, obj. Indent equals 2 to inspect output. Once you have data, serialize it with JSON. Dumps to convert Python objects into JSON text. This is where you decide indentation and ASCII handling. Conversely, use JSON. Loads to parse incoming JSON into dicts and lists so you can manipulate values. For files, use JSON. Dump and JSON. Load with open, file name W encoding equals UTF-8 or R that avoids encoding surprises. Also, learn to handle non-serializable types by providing default functions, because built-ins only cover common types by default. Finish by addressing advanced needs. Implement JSON encoder subclasses or default functions to serialize data types and decimal objects. This ensures consistent output. Then, validate parse data structures and sanitize strings to prevent injection when feeding other systems. If something goes wrong, catch JSON. JSON decode error and log the offending snippet plus line numbers so you can reproduce the error quickly. Finally, add unit tests for serialization round trips to prevent regressions and make refactors safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.